So we're in Goulburn, which is the home of Southern Tablelands Football Association. We work with them to host a Football New South Wales JDL Regional Game Day. So we bring in all our regional associations that participate in our JDL Regional program, given an opportunity to play games and then an opportunity for us to work with coaches that are involved in these programs, have a look at their teams in action. It's a good avenue for the associations to play like-for-like associations they wouldn't normally play throughout the season. So you've got associations that come from within Western Branch being able to play associations from Southern Branch and Riverina. So it's just good to get a comparison of where they are with each other in the games, and also good for us just to get everyone in the one hub today so we can add some value with coach workshops to work with the coaches to help them in their development and work with us in what we want in the program going forward.
It sort of takes them above their Saturday comp, try a bit harder. You know, it is a harder competition. They're playing against kids that from all different areas, that different skill sets.
First and foremost, we just want to make sure the players have fun. That's the first thing we want to see from all of them in the 10s to 12s age group, is that they come and enjoy playing.
I'm really excited. It's always fun to play with the boys. It was really fun in the first game when we won.
It's really nice to be playing with the girls. It's really fun. Probably just hanging out with the girls and having fun.